How you doing, fam bam? This is Chris Mizo here, and welcome to part 11 because we will install the GPU, aka the graphics card, the most exciting part of the build in my personal opinion, and I can't wait to build it with you. Make sure you follow every step I say, and it will be pretty simple to do. So when you have a graphics card, you want to make sure you have the right one for your PC. If you're a content creator, you want to have more capacity. You want to have more memory capacity, as that's very important. Now, if you are a gamer, it's more important to actually have power for your PC. 2080 Ti still has plenty of power, especially for modern games now. So don't underplay it because they have the 30 series out. It still will perform really well, even compared to a RTX 3080. If you're a content creator, a Ti would work excellent. We're gonna need to remove at least a couple of them. All right. We're good right there. And now you can kind of push up on it just to have the thumb screws nice and tight on here. And it fits this motherboard perfectly. Look how beautiful it looks. Everything looks excellent here. And now, that's one, two. So now we have that perfectly connected. Would have probably been better to hook it up this wire on the other end through here or through here for a better look. I think it'll do for now. And that's simple. We have the GPU installed, and all we have to do is put the case back together. So now we got the GPU installed of this PC case. Now all we had to do is put it all together. So hopefully you found this content very useful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody else that wants to build a PC or is looking to build a PC, make sure you share this playlist with them. And also make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button for more to join the big wonderful fan bam. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And for all the newest updates, make sure you follow my Twitter handle right here, as it is the same as my TikTok and IG as well. I'll see you into the next chapter. I hope you had fun building your PC. And if you got this far, I gotta say congratulations.